Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make the chocolate milkshake in Heartopia. So I finally unlocked the gardening level 12. So I am able to grow the cocoa pods. So select milkshake, and instead of blueberries, you're just going to replace them with the cocoa beans. I keep saying pods for some reasons. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. Start cooking, and we'll just wait for it to cook. The cocoa beans take about 5 hours to grow, so just keep that in mind. Okay, I don't know why it's taking longer to adjust this. Sorry, to cook this milkshake. So here we have our, oh, it's cocoa milkshake. It's not even chocolate milkshake, but that is how you can make a cocoa milkshake in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.